Beautiful. Let's hope they go on and win it, Eric, because at this point, they've got the momentum and spring is in the air. It's coming.
It's coming. We're going to get there over these next few days. We've kind of reached the bottom in the weather department when it comes to the cold. This morning, 4 degrees in Worcester, 2 below in Keene. Concord actually set a record. There's an interesting tweet by the Weather Service up there today. Said this was a record low in Concord. It was the 5th of the decade, and during the same time, 36 record highs. So you kind of get a sense for how rare it is to set some record lows now compared to the record warmth that we see much more frequently. And this has been a really cold start to the month of March. A lot of blue squares on the calendar. Midwinter kind of feel, and we got one more night of it out there. Temperatures are in the 20s. We look off to the south and west. There's some moderation beginning to take place after a very cold week for much of the country. And we're also tracking a little bit of snowfall. It's sliding down through the Ohio Valley. This is going to miss us off to the south as we head into tomorrow night. So it looks like a total miss at this point. We'll have mainly clear skies here at home. Last really cold one, back into the single digits and teens near the coastline. So tomorrow morning we will need to bundle up, but it is another sun-splashed day with a better rebound as we head into the afternoon. So although it is definitely going to be a see your breath, bundle up kind of morning, by midday we're into the 30s. Bright sunshine, a breeze out of the southwest for tomorrow. And then as we head toward the evening, we'll look at sunset at 5:42. All told, it's a pretty nice Friday forecast. We'll add about 10 degrees to what we had out there today. So you'll notice the difference. 38 in Norwood and Boston, Rockport to 37, New Bedford up around 35, and a little bit of melting taking place for our Friday. Looks like an excellent Saturday to kick off the weekend. We've got bright sunshine again. Breeze that will turn onshore in the afternoon, so our coolest air will be near the coastline. It's getting to be that time of the year, and our warmest temperature is going to be found away from the water. Then we track a storm system that does have a wintry side on Sunday morning. As it moves into town during the morning, likely to start off with some snowfall, changing over to some sleet pellets and then rainfall. It doesn't look like a high-impact winter event for us right now, but during the morning hours, could be some slick roads out there, especially early on in the day before those temperatures really start to rise. Mostly rain expected south of Boston toward the south coast and the Cape. Could get a coating to an inch from Boston north and west of some snow and sleet before the changeover. And it'll take a little bit longer to get rid of all of that icy weather across northern Worcester County and heading up into New Hampshire. We'll keep you updated on how this one kind of evolves over the next couple of days. But we get into the 40s during the afternoon, so in terms of a road impact, it should really just be in the start of the day on Sunday. We also spring forward. Clocks go ahead 1 hour on Saturday night before you go to sleep, and we will be back on daylight saving time for the next 8 months. For heading up to ski slopes, perfect weather on Friday and Saturday. What a stellar season it's been for all the New England ski areas. Snow will eventually change over to some ice on Sunday for many of those spots. And if you're heading over toward Logan Airport, I'm not expecting a high impact Sunday, but there could be maybe a few delays early on in the morning. Then as we look forward to next week, likely favoring warmer than average conditions. Don't expect to see a repeat of any of the temperatures that we had around here this week. So there's the full 7-day. We've got some upper 40s on Monday, near 40 Tuesday, some low 40s Wednesday, around 50 Thursday. We may run towards 60 on Friday. So I would expect we will lose just about all of our snow by the end of next week, if not sooner in some spots. Liam and Lisa, back to you.
That is a nice forecast. Thanks, Eric.